upon us to the best of our abilities. Our vision, we are committed to the vision of ISTAC Student Society, which is to build a community of knowledgeable, ethical, and visionary students dedicated to advancing Islamic education and values, shaping a society founded on wisdom and knowledge. Our mission, number one, is to strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and cooperation among ISTAC students. Two, to serve as a platform for intellectual and spiritual development aligned with Islamic principles. Three, to promote a culture of continuous learning and academic excellence within the student body. Four, to actively